Hi guys, welcome to this impromptu live Facebook thingy. What's it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, or attempt to show you in 5 minutes, how you can build a really simple funnel and how you can run it at probably about an hour a day, 75 minutes a day, and generate profits. Okay, so the thing to remember is you don't need a complicated funnel. And what I'm going to do here is show you a really simple way of doing it. And I guarantee you 100% that it will work. So a whole lot could go wrong here, but let's absolutely try and do this now in 5 minutes. Right, so here I am. This is my screen. This is Funnelytics. I'm going to build a funnel. Right, so we've got one page here. We've got one page here. And we've got one page here. Okay, so let's get some links here. Hang on a minute. Don't worry, I'm just typing in something I should have typed in before we started. So if you are in SMO, in the pro group, please check out the video I did earlier. It's a lot longer version of this with lots more stuff in it. Right, so here we go. This is going to be our main page, and this is going to be a landing page. Okay, and here is the URL for it. And get rid of that. I'll just make it look pretty by grabbing the a screenshot. Next, we're going to have a opt-in page. So we just call this opt-in page. Okay, in fact, this is going to be the thank you page. Let's pretend we're using ConvertBox and they opt in on the main page and they go to the thank you page. And this is going to be, get rid of this. Let's get rid of it. So after they go to the thank you page, actually, no, we will send them from the thank you page straight to a sales page. Okay, so let's try and make a little bit of money on the back end. Okay, so that's our funnel. Okay, so we built out this funnel. So what are we going to do now? Right, every morning, and I mean every morning, we're going to come here and we're going to put 3 things on here. So it can be whatever you want. So where are you going to get traffic from? Let's write an email. Okay, so we can decide if that email is going to go to the landing page, if it's an existing list and they're not on the landing page, or if they are on the landing page, they've been to the landing page, they've been to the thank you page, we can just do an email that's going to go to the sales page. That's one thing for today. That's our job for the day. Next, we're going to do, how about a retargeting ad? We can get rid of that. So anybody who's been through here and hasn't purchased, well, okay, today we can run a retargeting ad to every one of those people. Okay, next thing we can do. Okay, how about we'll do a different lead magnet. Okay, and the different lead magnet will be for anybody already who's been to maybe this landing page and hasn't signed up. So we can send them to a different landing page. Okay, and that landing page can go to a different thank you page, and that different thank you page can go there. 3 things. That's what we're going to do. So to make this work really well, what we're going to do is we are going to use UTM tracking links. So you can see here, we're going to track links to this. So this is going to be email. And the email is going to be called the cat in the hat. Sorry, my brain works weird sometimes. Okay, so that is our retargeting link. And we're going to copy our retargeting link there. And we're going to just use that as a link in the email we send to our list. Okay, so what's going to happen here? Well, what's going to happen is you're actually going to see what's actually working or not. So I've done 3 emails this week. So here we go, email list, launch email. So the first email was a launch email. The second email was called Project 212. So you can see how that performed against that. And then the email that went out an hour ago is that one there. It was called Simple Bliss. So you may well have received these. And you can see here that we're tracking how they are performing. And we can see which emails are working better than the others. So that is basically how you build a simple funnel that you run for 1 hour a day. Sorry, you spend an hour a day on it, maybe less than that, half an hour a day. Okay, put 3 things on it, okay, every day and do it. If you do these 2 and don't finish this, don't worry, finish this tomorrow. When it's finished, then you can add 3 more things. So what we can do later is we can go, okay, let's do a messenger campaign. Okay, so we can do our little messenger campaign, and that can go to, we can do a messenger campaign. Let's do a messenger campaign to the landing page. Okay, we can do a new email sequence. Right, so we're gonna grab our emails, and we're gonna thank you page. We'll go there. Thank you page, email sequence, and then highlight the email, and then we'll do another email sequence there, and we can test those, and those can have links to there. Okay, so over time you build up this really simple funnel. It can end up being really complicated, but you start simple and you see what's working, and then by using the UTM links, which you've got here, which automatically get created, then you go here and you say, okay, well, this one worked really well. This one didn't work so well. Okay, this is working quite well. Okay, I'll do this week, I'll do 3 of those and 2 of those. That's it. So where are we? We're on StreamYard. Right, so that is my quick and simple 5-minute way of creating really simple funnels. So if you are in the slightest bit interested, let me just type this out. See, I wasn't really ready for this, but never mind. If this type of thing interests you, go to the 5kmethod.com. That is a new 3-part course that I've done. Part 1 is the model. So I show you what the business model is in part 1. Part 2 is the build. I show you a live build. What we'll do, we'll build it out from start to finish. And then part 3 is called Project 212, which is where we all work together to build this model up to $212 a day. If you're already on my list, check yesterday's email. It'll actually show you why it's called Project 212. But it's a 3-part course. Got the model live at the moment. Next week, we've got the build going live. And then we've got the Project 212, where we're actually going to build all these out, and I'm going to help everyone do it. It might surprise you. This, at the moment, until Sunday, when it goes live, is only $37. Okay, so you can get in now in the pre-launch for $37. Obviously, it's going up to $97 next week when it's open to the public and live. Okay, thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Any questions, please ask, and I'll get back to them tomorrow. Okay, I said 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 29 seconds. Never mind. Cheers. Bye.